Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, we're gonna be talking about how Cathie Wood ARK Invest recently bought an extra $62 million worth of Coinbase shares. So we're gonna do a quick Coinbase stock analysis, and we're gonna do a quick analysis on the 3 ARK funds that currently have Coinbase in its top holdings too. So stick around for that. Thanks for tuning in, and special thanks to my returning viewers. I hope this video informs you or entertains you in some way at least. And all I ask is that you destroy that like button for YouTube's algorithm. It really helps the video and the channel. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel too if you want more content just like this. I put out videos every week. Alright, so if you've been following my channel at all, you should know already that I've been buying Coinbase shares for the last few weeks. I even put out a Coinbase stock analysis video, and it was also my top #1 stock pick for my recent top stocks to buy now video too. Definitely check out both those videos if you haven't already. So when I heard that Cathie Wood ARK Invest had bought an extra $62 million worth of Coinbase shares recently in the recent dip, well, needless to say, I was pretty pleased to hear that. I'm definitely in agreement with Cathie on Coinbase being a strong buy right now. There's just no other company in the market right now that I see with such strong profit margins. Coinbase has profit margins of around 40 to 60%. They're also growing revenue and profits at an amazing pace, on pace to almost quadruple revenue and profits in 2021 from 2020. And for a company that has such strong profit margins and is growing revenue and profits at such an amazing pace, Coinbase has pretty conservative valuation metrics too. I can definitely see Coinbase as being a potential multi-bagger in just a few years. Again, definitely check out my full Coinbase stock analysis video for my full analysis on Coinbase. After the extra $62 million worth buy of Coinbase shares by Cathie Wood ARK Invest, they now own hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars of Coinbase. This is spread out through a number of the ARK funds, with the top 3 ARK funds that currently have Coinbase in its top holdings being ARKK, ARKW, and ARKF. Although I do see Coinbase being a strong candidate to hold shares in, if you wanted to invest in Coinbase through a fund, well, these 3 ARK funds could be pretty good options. So I thought let's do a quick analysis on each of these 3 funds. ARKK has a market cap of about $25 billion. It's trading at around $120 per share, with a 52-week high of $160 and a 52-week low of $77. Its expense ratio is about 0.75%. Coin is in its top 10 holdings, which also includes the likes of Tesla, Shopify, Square, and Spotify, as well as Zoom and other big names. Its performance over the last 5 years is averaging plus 49% per year, which is amazing, and it's plus 17% in the last year and plus 5% year to date in 2021 so far. Looking at its chart, we can see that ARKK is down from its all-time highs from earlier this year, and also seems to be finding some support around the 50-day moving average line. It'll be interesting to see where the fund goes from here, but it does look like a macro large bullish flag pattern, and this may be a good dip to buy into. ARKW is the second biggest ARK fund that has Coinbase in its top holdings, with a market cap of about $6 billion, and it's trading at around $140 a share, with a 52-week high of $191 and a 52-week low of $92. Its expense ratio is about 0.8%. Again, Coin is also in its top 10 holdings, which also includes the likes of Tesla, Shopify, Twitter, Square, Spotify, and other big names. Its performance over the last 5 years is averaging plus 50% per year, it's plus 10% in the last year, and it's plus 5% year to date so far. Looking at its chart, we can see that ARKW is also down from its all-time highs from earlier this year, and also seems to be finding some support around the 50-day moving average line. This chart looks very similar to ARKK, which is expected since they have very similar holdings, and also looks like a macro large bullish flag pattern, with this dip also being a potential good time to buy. This could easily come back down to test the 100-day moving average as support though. Hard to say what the shares will do from here, but I'm definitely bullish on these companies and funds in the long term. 3 to 5 to 10 plus years. ARKF is the last ARK fund that I'm going to talk about that has Coinbase in its top holdings, and it has a market cap of about $4 billion. It's trading at around $50 per share with a 52-week high of 64 and a 52-week low of $33. Its expense ratio is about 0.75%. Again, Coin is also in its top 10 holdings, which also includes the likes of Square, Shopify, PayPal, Zillow, and other big names. No Tesla though. Its performance over the last year is plus 72% per year, which is crazy and amazing, and it's 9% year to date so far. Looking at its chart, we can see that ARKF is down from its all-time highs from earlier this year too, and seems to be finding some support around the 50-day moving average line as well. These charts are looking very similar and is expected with such similar top holdings in each of the funds. It's crazy how 3 of the ARK funds currently have Coinbase in its top 10 holdings right now. I'm definitely in agreement with Cathie Wood and ARK Invest on Coinbase being a buy right now, and I'm also building a position in the stock right now too. Are you in Coinbase right now or looking to buy Coinbase shares? Let me know in the comment section below. Again, definitely check out my full Coinbase stock analysis video for my full stock analysis on Coinbase, and check out my recent top stocks to buy now video too as I go over Coinbase, as well as a number of other companies and funds that I'm looking to build in a position into in the coming months. If you like this video, smash that like button for YouTube's algorithm. It really helps the video and the channel, so thank you in advance for doing that. Again, make sure you're subscribed to my channel too if you want more videos just like this. I put out videos every week, mostly on investing in stocks, funds, real estate, crypto, and more. All right, that's it from me for this video, so I will wish you a good day, a good night, and I'll see you next time. Until then, cheers.